video show you how to create custom fields. These are user-defined fields allowing you to be as creative and intuitive as needed when storing information under clients, matters, contacts, and matter groups. To set up these custom fields, click on Clients, Settings, and the Custom Fields tab, and you can create custom fields for clients, contacts, matters, and matter groups. So here, for example, under Client, if I go ahead and click on New Custom Field, you can see that you can name the custom field whatever you need, and then you have the different type of custom fields. So these types determine which type of input will be needed. So let's, for example, say that you go for a date range, then the default values here will be shown, how the date range will appear, and then you have a description or a tooltip, and you can order these. So we already have about 7 of these set up, so this is automatically coming up as number 8 on our custom fields, and whether or not this will be required for all your timekeepers to input into, and then we can activate and inactivate the custom fields from here.